Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hopefully by the end of today's video, the engine bay will be painted, which will mean next week we can get the engine back in and start to finish off some of the kind of final bits, and hopefully that will be it in terms of this project. So where we are is the engine bay has been, all the holes have been filled, filler's been applied and sanded down. Most of the engine, in fact all of the engine bay has been scuffed up using some Scotch-Brite pads. So I'm not going to prime the entire engine bay because most of the paintwork is actually okay. So I'll just prime the areas that I've done some filler work, and then the rest I'll just paint directly over. So what I'm going to do now is put the camera down and start to cover the car and mask up, and then I'll give the engine bay a clean down, and then I can apply some primer, let that dry, sand that down, and then I'll be able to put some base coat down, then lacquer, and fingers crossed that will be it. So let me just put the camera down. Okay, so I've primed the bits that need priming. I've gone over the rest of the bodywork with 400 grit. So we are now good to put the base on. So I'm just going to put the camera down. We can get going. Right, so that's the first coat. That was a relatively light coat, so I'll give that time to dry, and then I'll go over with a bit more of a wet coat, and then I'll see how that sits, and maybe I'll go for a third coat just to give me a bit more thickness so I can sand down any imperfections, and then we'll go for some clear. So back in 15. Right, third and final coat. Okay, paint's all dry now, so it's time for some lacquer.